to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, the news come out that the prosecution, the DPP's office, the team who were responsible for getting a conviction against Liberty Coke, him brother, Bamati, right, him nephew, Titiman, and the rest of the team, for them team, come out and say, you know what, Your Honor? We have to go let go them money. Them come out and say, you know what, Your Honor? Just drop the case. They tried to file that, and let me put the let me give you the official legal term. It's a nolle prosequi. Is that how it's pronounced? Maybe one of my more learned viewers will pronounce it for me in the comment section. It look like nolle prosequi. It basically means the case can be put back before the courts if the witnesses are located, because that's their problem. Them say they can't find witness. Can't find witness? Leave it to them. They're jail from what, 2018? And now when trial will start, them are going to say them having difficulties locating witnesses. Locating witnesses? Where I use GPS? Or I use one map? A compass? Where I use? I mean locating witnesses. This is a Mickey Mouse operation as usual. Having problem, let me tell you about witnesses. First things first, there were never that many witnesses. How many witnesses you think are going to stand up in a court and testify against the Coke family without extreme reassurance and confidence in the system? How much do you think I could do that? Very few. The witness that them can't find, in my opinion, even if them could have find him, I don't think him could have seen Liberty and Bamati them. The real witness them did want was the kerosene. Let me tell you why the case mash up the man. Locating witnesses that are just mainstream answer. That's what them say when things just don't work out. But the real witness them did want, the person who them did expect to be the weakest link, or the person who them say, you know what, yeah man, she can't help with, was the kerosene. Titiman girlfriend. Titiman is Dodo's son. And she them really want to be witness. Because remember, you know, she lure P-Boy. Because P-Boy allowed his P to lead him astray. Just like most 87, well, most man, to be honest, not this 87, most man, small head take over, never that thing straight, kerosene, lead him astray, and well, you know the end result. But them did have she as the person who them could have worked with to help sink the man them. You know, work out a little deal. But here's the problem with that. In order for you to get somebody who is involved in a murder, to turn upon the other people in the murder, you need to show them so you have something upon them too. You need to at least give them the impression so you have something upon them. Because if you have somebody and you say, listen, we want you to testify, we want you to talk, we don't have nothing upon you still, and then the rest of them have a big lawyer side of them. Right? And the lawyer say, what you have upon we? And you say, well, we don't really have nothing to say, but we have hope. So you might hope you take this thing for a joke. That's Titiman girl. That's a kerosene. Premium kerosene too. Do you know how hard it is to break the bond between a kerosene and an 87? That bond is like super glue. You ever put super glue on your fingers and try open your finger them? So that's the bond between a kerosene and a gunman. And you think you're gonna break that bond by hoping she do the right thing? Of course she's not gonna do the right thing, and she set up the man being dead. She business but not doing the right thing. The only way you get she return is if you show her that body evidence say you I get sink, you know. You will look for 130, 40 years, you know. I remember say, yeah, Pitney, you don't want to come back a road. And them time there, when she hear that now, she go say, oh, what? You're mad? Alright, I'm telling you where you go. But if you can't show that joke thing, waste the time. And if you make things worse, she dey behind bars, she takes sick, right? And go through all kind of complications, and she stay right behind bars. See, the justice system, you see, the fact that she got through all of that behind bars, even though she put herself behind the basement of actions, but you see, them did really know how to finesse, right, and really know how to sweet up people. Them let her go. Listen to me carefully. I'm teaching you how countries like Uncle Sam and them place them. I show you how them look on it from the angle of the means or the ends justify the means. I'm gonna tell you why. I say, when should I go through our problems, them should I be our best friend. Listen to me right now. This is what I would have done, because the targets are such high value. You know what I do? Kerosene or no kerosene. When should I go through our complications them? Should I go through our sickness them and all them things? I send the best nurse and doctor them take her out of the cell, take her out of the jail house, carry her go somewhere, give her the best treatment she ever get in her life. On condition, of course, not like that's a leg off, she go free. Right? Just a temporary, but no say you can get like a break from jail, especially for health reasons. Polish her down, smooth her down. Be there with her every step of the way. Me all let her hold her hand. If she cough 2 times, me let her hold her hand. You alright? You alright, Kerry? See some soup here. Just boil some soup for you. Drink some soup, man. Your foot them alright? If she saw her shoulder hurt her, me rub it. If she say her back hurt her, me send somebody run go for one pillow come put on there. She say her back hurt her, hurry up fast. Because that's how you win people over and make them turn on their associates. It's not by being cold and brutal to them and make them in a jailhouse and live rough life. It's not because you like her or feel sorry for her, because she could help you sink high value targets. You've seen Uncle Sam Lego some of the worstest man them on planet Earth to sink the bigger target when you've seen him. Uncle Sam give Sammy the bull. Uncle Sam make Sammy the bull walk out of jailhouse in a couple years like say a joke thing. Sammy the bull was one of the worst man them in a Cosa Nostra. One of the people, the man Uncle Sam was like, you know what? John Gotti is the high value target. So where you want, Sammy? Where you want, Sammy, my boy? So at one point, people are say, you look like him and they win over, but them never win over. So now, she not cooperate, she not work with them. At them time they know them start to try find the next brother who can possibly, do something for them. But even if them find him tomorrow, I don't think him can sink them. That's my opinion. As it stands right now, Liberty and the whole of them a walk free. The kerosene was the real witness them did want, and that's who actually, because remember she was a part of the operation. She was there in the planning. Can somebody tell me, in 2021, the Jamaican justice system is going after targets as big as Liberty, right? The Coke family. And all them I rely upon is a little witness, a little one witness, a little two witness. The state with all its resources, that's the best them could do. Where the picture them there, them now, when you notice when you now watch cases where other countries are seeing high level criminals, when them go to trial, when you see them take some little hiding picture with them snap on, you see picture in a court with them a shake and the next man on one corner, and you hear them Lego on a phone call, and then Jamaica's like, they witness them. The entire thing is riding on the witness. That is why I've said it many times, the most important people in the Jamaican justice system, and if we're going to convict criminals, are witnesses. That is from day one, I have always said, getting people to testify in court against criminals is more important than any high level big talk where you want your favorite lawyer and your favorite this and your favorite that. None of that don't mean nothing if witnesses don't go stand up in a court, because that is how Jamaican cases are solved, with witnesses. This is why I said the Jamaican Witness Protection Program needs more money, it needs more investment, it needs better care for the people on the program, because them go through a lot. People on that program go through a lot, right? I don't know if you've seen the video we talk about it. Them have to give up them jobs, them have to give up them house, them community. They can't go park on the corner and them friend them, right? And them have to go here so, and them get, I think it was like 20,000, right? About 20 or $30,000 a month, right? And this is on top of the fact that sometimes them have to wait all 3, 4, 5, can be all 8 years for a trial. Lock up in a house, lock up over here so can't go nowhere, can't walk on the road and nobody never see them. The program needs investment. The government needs to stop a long chatting and stop. We're going to push 300 million into this and 300 million. None of that don't mean nothing if when you wall up on the man them get Lego because the witnesses them not turn up. Or nobody want to go up on the program because it sounds like a hell. Witnesses are more important than your biggest fancy prosecution lawyer. Man. Jamaica is short a big fancy prosecution lawyer. The DPP and our team are very well learned, very well experienced, and can tell you everything out of the law book. That don't mean nothing if they're not a witness in our court of law for stand up. That is why from day one, I have always been completely against the quote-unquote informer for dead culture. I have rejected it from day one, even when it wasn't cool. And I noticed Jamaican culture take time come around to it now. People are starting to reject that foolishness. It's funny how Jamaicans claim them hate informer until their mother get her head lick out on the ground. Or them pitney, or them brother. Then you hear them, anybody have any information can come forward, but you say informer for dead. So how now you want people to go quote-unquote inform because of your family? But you think your family is special? You ever notice that? People say, anybody would give police information and testify, then if dead. But if somebody shoot my mother, you can please go tell the police what you see. May I try to look some justice. And the irony is, your favorite bad man is the biggest informer in Jamaica. Your favorite entertainer is the biggest informer in Jamaica. Law-abiding people can't be informers. Law-abiding people can't be snitches. That's a street code. That's a bad man code. That's a LIQ code. We don't live by LIQ code. Oh man, to see somebody when our house, wet up the whole house, kill out the whole family, and then when them go testify, when them go to the police and say, you know, Officer Messi, when J-Bud and Adjis go into the house, and this is what happened, and this is what happened. According to Jamaican logic, J-Bud and Adjis will live and big them up, but the person who can testify and I think them for dead. No, that's why Jamaica can't get 5% growth. Not even 4, not even 3. Come on, make intelligence cool again. I make fun of 87s who end up the police information because them spend them whole life killing quote unquote informer. So when time them drop a jail and then start the police information, me have to laugh because look at the irony. Look at the irony. You spend your whole life saying informer dead and now look at you squealing like a pig. Right? Leaking like a water commission pipe. Leaking like a bag of happy ice. No one care back. After you run down everybody from Salt Spring to Norwood, I shut off for them say they are informer. Look at you now. But apart from them, I have nothing but the utmost respect for witnesses. Somebody who can stand up, put them life on pause. If you know reward is not like there's no financial reward, isn't because in America you can get rich off of being a state witness. There are people who are professional state witnesses in America and they can get rich off of it. That not in Jamaica. People give up them life, people give up them careers, people give up them relationships, right? People give up them friendships, right? Go and risk them life only for the same Jamaican people. Turn around and say them for dead because they're informer. People are foolish. So now, everybody go jump up. I can't believe the justice system can't sink liberty because no witness said it. They couldn't turn the girl and then say they can't find the man. So now I want to see how important witnesses are. But the justice system have to do better than this. After all these years, you can't come and say with them excuses. This is simply not good enough. It is not. Especially when we are talking about Livity, we are talking about Bamati, we are talking about Titi Man and them. When you realize how volatile West Kingston is, the only thing that can happen when time Livity them go back on West Kingston. Because me say them have fake peace agreement now. Fake, yeah man, everything good man, when they come back everything good and me say man I get ready to put on a big party. Right. Big celebration. Let me tell you something. Peace of West Kingston can't last if Liberty go around there. No peace, there might be that first and it look like everything good, but the wounds are too deep in West Kingston. Liberty keep up too much foolishness. Right? If we go there so and the place runs smoothly. Some people simply will not accept Liberty as no done and take no talk from the Liberty. Bamati. Enough people really know about Bamati say because he spend enough time uptown man. My problem man, the violence producer. I'm at the boss name Lanchester. Or man for name Lanchester and be criminal. Somebody can name that sound like something from out of Camelot. Lanchester sound like a knight at the round table. Right. Before him sit down on the round table and I discuss honor. Man keep up be a foolishness. Or man put on criminal and name Lanchester. You can't have them boast the name and turn criminal you. That sound like a knight, Sir Lanchester of Tivoli. Instead of being a knight at the round table, he's a knight of the acidity, knight of foolishness, knight of criminality. Them name the two bossy. If you're not criminal. And the man that touch Packer Road. And you have to understand something about Liberty and Bamati in particular. For them ego, no normal. So when they bust a case, you can't tell them say the man on the Teflon done. You can't tell them say the man on the biggest thing in the world because them just look how much years police have and say we just bust the case and touch back the road. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with for them ego when they touch back the road. Another failed case. Dog Paw recently. Now the Cope family. You know where all eyes depend now. So this year was 3 big trial. Can't think of. Dark Paw, the Coke Boys, and Spanish Town. Spanish Town, Klansman. Klansman 50 trial. 3 big trial. Dark Paw, in my opinion, out of the 3, Dark Paw is the least impactful. Him can go back about being foolishness, but if him do that, I guarantee he won't last long. Best thing him do is keep himself quiet. The Coke family, we don't know West Kingston already. We don't know that. We don't know so when West Kingston had a volcano. But the Klansman 50, an entire faction, because Liberty them did that jail, but them could have still get them orders out to them 87s. What make Klansman 50 unique is that it's not just black man in the whole pan, but just almost the whole of them soldier them almost, like a huge percentage. No fight top on them. So if them go get Lego, if the justice system come tell me no foolishness, so them can't find no witness in the Klansman case, the Jamaican people must demand resignations. When we're not talking, when we're an excuse, if them come tell me so them can't find no witnesses and the case of a drop, like I would must say about Liberty them now, then there has to be resignations. Sorry, it's unacceptable. We can't move forward. We can't, because at that point you will have no credibility, and at that point you'll have no respect. I know say the DPP and our team understand how serious these trials are, in particular the Klansman 50. I know say the DPP and our team must work extra hard to get that Klansman trial right, because the DPP, whatever you may think of her, is not a fool, and she know the impact it will have. Not just in the streets where them get Lego, but also the message it will send. And in my opinion, if them can't get the slam dunk, we're gonna need some resignations. And that message the rest of the world when the rest of the world when certain monumental trials no go certain way and this no go, people step down, people say, you know what, this thing now work, give your next man a shot. People can't just sit down and post till them time up and just move on. People have to get, you know what, some people need to, Jamaican leaders need to get a resignation culture. It's like how certain countries have a resignation culture. When things go real bad, they just resign. If you watch football, you would see that recently there was a not English, but them call it European Super League. They might try to bring in a new league. The fans them push back against it, wicked, for 6 British clubs. Big backlash. The backlash was so great that a man named Ed Woodward, one of the top men in Manchester United, resigned. This is football. The fans them were so upset with the plans. People have to resign. The club back down and people have to resign. That is a sport. It's not life. It's not no trial. It's not no. There's no risk of no major gang war broke out. And people say, you know what? Seeing that the PR was disastrous, the people them lose confidence in Ed Woodward, them lose confidence in the leadership of Manchester United. The man stepped down. Jamaica needs to adopt a culture like that. The people them lose faith in you. Your position is now untenable. Step aside. Sorry. You know what I mean, say, you never had nothing good in your whole career. It just means, say, from this point on, things can't be the same, so early retirement. That's my opinion. But I'm rooting for the DPP and our team for the Klansman trial, because I don't want to see them fail. Why would I want to see them fail? If them fail, that means that the man was the case. I know that means the Spanish Town and Jamaica. So I'm rooting for the DPP and our team. That no mean say me I hold my breath though. And that no mean say me I go put my pot on fire. Anyway, H&M Squad, be up himself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.